Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of animals, different type of atmosphere and many other things. Right? So all these things, new things we learn in science. Science is subject about everything around us and different kind of things which is new for us. We learn all these things in science, right? So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 1. What is name of our lesson? Lesson number 1 is our surroundings, right? So the things which is around us, the area around us. So name of this lesson is you and your surroundings. What is name of this lesson? You and your surroundings. And today's topic is clean surrounding. So we already learn about surroundings. We learn that the area around us is called surroundings. So today what we learn, that we should keep our surroundings clean. So how we should keep our surroundings clean? What we have to do for clean our surroundings? What we take care of this, right? So all these things we learn today. And what happen if our surrounding is not clean, right? So these all things we learn today. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. The line is, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. What is meaning of this line? That if you are struggling today, right, so it is your development of strength, and this which you need tomorrow. So if you are struggling in learning, if you are struggling in anything, right, so doesn't mean that you cannot survive, right? So if you struggle today, it developing strength to fight against the things, right? For example, right now we are in situation of COVID-19. So we are struggling to fight against the virus, right? So slowly we get strength. You can see that the strength which we have last year and this year is different, right? So that's why when you are struggling, so the struggle developing strength in you for tomorrow, right? So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture, right? So which lesson we are learning? We are learning lesson number 1, you and your surroundings. As I told you in previous lecture, this is the picture of your book. You and your surroundings. So in this lesson, first lesson of our book, we learn about surroundings, right? We learn that what is surroundings and how we should keep our surroundings clean. We learn today, right? So in previous lecture we learn about surrounding. We see the picture of our textbook also, and then we learn that which type of surrounding we need for our healthy life. So what we learn today, and let's start lesson number 1, you and your surrounding. So our today's topic is how we should clean our surrounding. What we will do for clean our surrounding. And we also learn that what happen if our surroundings not clean, if we are having dirty surroundings. So all these things we learn today, right? So before we start our today's topic, first we revise that what we learned in previous lecture, right? So first we revise what we learned in previous lecture, then we start our today's topic, right? So let's see what we learned in previous lecture. So in previous lecture, first we see the picture of one girl who is introduced us herself, right? That she is Shreya and she liked making new friends. So she is asking you to be her friend and she want to know few things about you, right? So all these things we learned in previous lecture, right? So let's start with this Shreya, which we already learned in previous lecture. Then we see in previous lecture one picture, right? It is the picture of our book, right? So what we learn in previous lecture, we observe this picture. So what you see in this picture? You can see here the picture of one market. Near market, what you see? You can see here the car, you can see here cars, and you can see here one school bus. Here you can see the garden, here you can see the vegetable seller, and here you can see one grocery shop. Here you can see cloth shop, here is cafe. So all these things we observe in previous lecture, right? So in previous lecture we learn about the thing around us. We already learned the meaning of surroundings. Then we revise with textbook, right? So here you can see the picture of your textbook, right? So what you see here, you can see here cars and you can see here swings. So this is the area around us, which we called surroundings. We already learn about surroundings, that when we are moving from one place to other place, the surrounding will change, right? So with this picture we understand that what the meaning of surroundings, right? So here you can see this picture. Then we read the lesson of textbook, right? So what is, you can see here, we already read this, that look at the picture below. What do you see in the picture? You can see people, plants, houses, a swing in park, cars, shop and scooter. So this is our surrounding. The area around you is called your surroundings, which we learned in previous lecture. So what we see in this picture? Car, scooter, shop, swing in the park and the houses, right? So through this we can understand that the area around us is called surroundings, right? So look at the picture below and we see this picture and we write the name of the things. I mark the things. Other things you can also see here: zebra crossing, you can see here school bus, traffic signal, and children are playing there. So all these things we learn in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we learn about our surroundings, right? Then the next topic which we learn in previous lecture is clean and green surroundings, right? So here you can see the picture of your textbook again. So in previous lecture we learned about clean and green surroundings. So first we learned that what is green surroundings, right? So here you can see, first I read the lesson. We should keep our surrounding clean, right? So which type of surrounding we need for living? So we should keep our surroundings clean. We can fall ill if our surrounding will dirty, right? So these things we learn today. Then we learn that we should keep our surroundings green by growing tree. So clean means we should keep our surrounding clean. And what is meaning of green surrounding? That we should grow more trees. So we all know that color of trees are green. So it means if you are growing trees, more trees, it means your surrounding will be green. So why we should grow more trees? Because trees help us in many ways, which we will learn in our next lessons, which is about plants, that how the trees are help us in different way. So clean and green surroundings help us to stay healthy, right? So what we do? We throw waste into the dustbin. So here you can see the picture of the one boy who is throwing waste. Waste means garbage. For example, when you are eating chips, right? Packet of chips you buy and you eat chips, but the wrapper is the waste, is the garbage. So we throw waste into the dustbin, right? So this thing we learn in previous lecture. Then we learn that grow more plants and trees. They keep the air fresh and clean, right? So it means when we need breathing, right? So what we need to breathe? All living things need air to breathe. So we get air from trees, right? So if there is tree, you get fresh and clean air, because trees keep the air fresh and clean, right? So these all things we learn in previous lecture. Here you can see that one boy and girl are growing trees, right? So you can understand that why we need trees, because trees keep the air fresh and clean. So these all things we learn in previous lecture. Now let's start our today's topic with one exercise, right? So here you can see the picture of one place, right? It is looking like city. So this city you can see, and we have to observe this picture and we have to find out that what things you can see, which places you can see in this picture, right? So what you see here, different kind of things, right? So let's observe the picture. What you see here? First, what is this? The spelling is school. SCHOOL. School, where we are going for study, right? So it is the picture of the school, right? So first picture we can see here. Then here you can see bank. What is this? It is bank, where we are going to take out money, for deposit money also, for receive money also. And here you can see the picture of post office. post office which we use to deliver letters. If you want to send money through the post, you have to go post office, right? So in further times people are using post office for sending messages. Right now, because of mobile, we don't have postcards and all these things, but in old times, when there is no mobile phones, no telephones, no internet, at that time people are sending message through the post office. Then here you can see bookstore, which you all are aware of it, because when you need stationery items like books, textbooks and pencil, compass box, sharpener, eraser, so we are going there. And here you can see the picture of the hospital. So when you fall ill right now, because of COVID-19, everything closed, right? Because of lockdown, at that time only hospitals are open, right? Why? Because we need care when we fall ill. And here you can see the picture of one grocery shop from where we can buy cereals and pulses like rice, wheat and many other things. And here is vegetable seller, right? So we can buy vegetables, fruits from here, right? So when you observe these all things, you can see here that these all things you can see around you also, right? In our city we have post office, we have so many banks, we have so many schools, we can have bookstores. When you are going to MG Road, you can see their post office also. You can see here ATM machines also and lots of bookstores, right? From where we can buy our books, right? So here you can see the picture of hospital with ambulance also. And many other things you can see in this picture. Let's write the spelling of all these things. Number 1, hospital. You can see here the hospital, right? In this picture what you see? Hospital, bookstore, post office, bank, school, right? So these all things you can see here in this picture. And one more thing, garden. So these all things you can see in this picture, right? So it is your surrounding. So now what you have to do when you are at home, you have to observe your surroundings. And when you observe your surrounding, you have to write the name of the things which you see around you, right? So this is your exercise, right? Now move on to next picture. Here you can see today's topic, that our surrounding should be clean. What is meaning of clean? So the meaning of clean is our surrounding will be clean. For example, there is no garbage around us. There is no water on the floor around us. There is no wrappers around us, right? No sand, no dust around us. So here you can see the picture of one house with mopping, and you can see one bucket also with water. So it doesn't mean that house having mop and water bucket and house is clean itself. No, we need to clean our house, right? So this thing you have to understand. So what is our surroundings? The area around us and our surroundings should be clean. These surroundings help us to stay healthy, right? So first two picture you can see here. First picture we already seen. It is picture of clean surrounding, house, mop and bucket. Now here you can see the surrounding, right? What you see here, the bottles, and you can see the cold drink glasses, and here you can see the garbage bags, here you can see the food packets. So all these things are on the road. It means this surrounding is dirty. And if you are living in this surrounding, what happen, right? So this is the dirty surroundings, right? So we should keep our surroundings clean. If our surrounding clean, we grow healthy, and we also keep ourselves neat and clean from the different kind of disease, right? Now let's observe the different kind of pictures of dirty surrounding, and you feel very unhygienic when you see this picture also, right? Now let's see here. Here you can see the picture of dustbins, and you can see it is one garden, right? So here different type of garbages you can see here. Cold drink can here. Here you can see the papers, wrappers, bottles, food packets, and the dustbin is already full with garbage, right? So this all things you can see, and you can see here the trees also cutted. It means the surrounding is dirty. And when we all know that when this type of things you see around us, so many mosquitoes and flies and different kind of insect like cockroaches and many other things you can see, and because of that we fall ill. Now move on to next picture. Here you can see the picture of garbage, right? You can see different kind of garbage here, and you can see here the flies also, mosquitoes and flies, right? And when they are sitting on it, and they are sitting on our body also, and these flies spreading the germs which make us fall ill. Here you can see the class, and you all are doing this type of things, activity in class. And now you can imagine if your class is dirty, and because of this garbage the smelling very bad, right? So you fall ill, right? Now our next topic is what happens if our surroundings are dirty. What happens if your surroundings are dirty? Surroundings means your school, your class, if you are in home, your room, your garden, right? So when you see dirty surrounding and you living there, then what happen with you? Let's see. What happen when your surrounding is dirty? Now here you can see one boy, right? And you can see the thermometer in the mouth of the boy. It means why we use thermometer? We use thermometer to measure our temperature in our body, right? So it means whenever temperature is high, when we have fever. So if your surrounding is dirty, then you fall ill, you get fever, you get cold, you are sneezing and you are coughing, right? You fall ill sometimes, for you get many big diseases like typhoid and jaundice and many other things, right? So if our surrounding is not clean, it is dirty, we fall ill. Here you can see the girl is coughing, and because of that the girl is crying also. And sometimes these things make big disease in our body. For example, right now a little cough and little cold give us a big disease, corona, right? So we have to take care of ourselves, we have to take care of our surroundings also, right? Here you can see cold, and because of cold we get fever also, and we get headache also, and we get many kind of disease because of fever, right? We get weakness in our body which very dangerous for us, right? So this is cold. And fever, you can see, as I told you, when you are having fever you need different kind of medicines which we don't like to eat. We get headache also, we get cold also because of fever, and many type of things, many type of disease we are having because of fever, right? So this is the thing, if our surrounding will not clean. So what we should do to clean our surroundings, right? So here you can see the picture of children who are cleaning the surroundings, right? So here you can see they take the garbage, they take the wrappers, they take the bottles and put into the bag. When you clean your surrounding, you get fresh and clean air for breathing, and they stop spreading the germs, right? So with this you can understand that people are cleaning the surroundings. In our country there is a one mission, the name is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So under this people are cleaning the public garden and public washroom, public toilet and many other things. If you throw garbage on the road you get fined, right? So we should keep our surrounding clean. Here you can see the picture of children and the teacher also who is helping them to clean surroundings. So many groups are cleaning the roads, gardens, public transportation like railway station, bus stations, airports and many other things, right? So this thing we should do for clean our surroundings, right? Here you can see the picture of one seashore, right? So many people when they are going to visit seashore, they take lunch, they take snacks and they eat snack there and throw all these wrappers and garbage into the water also and around the water also, right? So we should keep our surroundings clean. It is for ourselves. If our surrounding will clean, you are not falling in, right? You get fresh and clean air. So here people are cleaning the seashore also, right? So what you should do when you eat anything on public place, so must throw the wrappers or the garbage into the dustbin. It is our duty, right? So we should keep our surrounding clean. So what we do for green our surroundings? We need green surroundings also because we need fresh and clean air. So which thing keep our surroundings clean and fresh? Trees. So here you can see the picture of trees. So what we have to do when we need green surroundings? We should grow more trees. We should watering the plants. We should grow more and more trees. We should not cut the trees. It helps us in many ways, right? So right now because of cyclone, many trees are fall down, right? So what people are doing? They give them support and grow again, right? And when you grow more trees, you have to watering it and take care of these things, these trees, right? They help us in many ways. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. So here you can see the children are taking care of plant. It is not that you grow one plant and leave as it is. You have to grow this, you have to take care of it, that they get water, and you have to take care of all trees which you grow. Then you get clean and green surroundings, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about dirty surrounding. We write one thing of markets. We write the things which is around us. We see one picture, observe and write the things which is in the picture. Then we learn about dirty surrounding. We learn about the clean surrounding, that how we should keep our surroundings clean, right? So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.